the Chairman and all the respected guests. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you for letting me present this paper on behalf of Dr. Azra Arif Ali. I am research assistant of Dr. Azra Arif Ali from Aga Khan University Hospital. Today we'll talk about new future, that is tocilizumab Actemra, a new milestone in rheumatoid arthritis patient. Rheumatoid arthritis is a chronic autoimmune inflammatory arthritis associated with extra-articular manifestation, that is joint inflammation that leads to joint pain and swelling, tenosynovitis, subchondral bone erosion, and limited range of motion. Systemic effects include fatigue, and up to 60% of the patient suffer from chronic inflammatory anemia. It also leads the incidence of cardiovascular incidence is increased up to fourfold as compared to general US populations. Rheumatoid arthritis also lead to malignancy and osteoporosis. Due to its numerous articular and systemic manifestation, rheumatoid arthritis is a significant burden to health service and patient alike. Now we are going to discuss about the current treatment of rheumatoid arthritis which do not fulfill the medical need. With current therapies, disease control is inadequate to retard disease progression in the majority of the patients. Systemic features of rheumatoid arthritis not fully controlled. There is an inadequate response, that is poor level of agreement between patients and physician. Current licensed biological therapy as monotherapy are compared with gold standard non-biological monotherapy, that is methotrexate. Limited data supporting anti-TNF switching are conflicting. New therapeutic options based on novel mechanism of action are required and will potentially forge in the understanding of rheumatoid arthritis etiology and pathogenetic pathways. The articular effects of interleukin-6 includes indirect promotion of pannus formation and joint destruction by activating osteoclasts and inhibiting osteoblastic activity. Interleukin-6 mediates chronic inflammation and autoimmunity, that is B cell differentiation and autoantibody production, that is CRP and anti-CCP level, that play an important role in rheumatoid arthritis pathogenesis. It also increases helper T cell, that is 17 cell. Systemic effect of interleukin-6 in rheumatoid arthritis includes acute phase response, that is increased CRP level that leads to inflammation, increased hepcidin production that leads to anemia, thrombocytosis, systemic osteoporosis, and defect in the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis that leads to fatigue and mood changes, alteration in the lipid metabolism, and increased cardiovascular risk. The largest phase 3 program on rheumatoid arthritis. 4 trials evaluated for signs symptoms for about 6 months, long-term extension, and the ongoing trial, that is LEAD, which evaluate radiographic progression for up to over 5 years of period of time. Now we are going to talk of tocilizumab and inhibition of interleukin-6 receptor. Interleukin-6 that include consistent high rate of remission, unique superiority versus methotrexate, unique combination of a rapid clinical response and increasing efficacy, profound inhibition of progression of joint damage, comprehensive systemic effects, predictable and manageable safety profile. Tocilizumab significantly inhibits radiographic progression at about 52 weeks period of time as compared to other DMARDs. It also reduces 74% radiographic progression, and it also reduces joint space narrowing and erosion score. The incidence of serious infections are elevated and does not increase over time. Rate of opportunistic infection are low, and there is a minimal reactivation of tuberculosis. Tocilizumab hand-on experience by rheumatologists in Pakistan. Participating rheumatologists